this video, we will show you how to do the installation of Siccura Mail software. So firstly, you need to log into Siccura.com website. Go to Store, then click on Business. Here is a software link. You need to click on 64-bit. You can see the software has started to download. So the software is downloaded successfully. We go to Show in Folder. Here is a software link. We double click on this link to start the installation. The installation is started. We click on Next. It is mandatory to go through the licensed application end user agreement before proceeding further. So I click on I accept the agreement and click on Next. It is important to add Siccura into your exclusion list of any antivirus or if you have any firewalls protection. We click on Next and then we click on Finish to complete the setup. Now the software is opening. So we have successfully downloaded and installed the Siccura Work software.